currently about 9:15, so if I'm quick enough, I will grab a McDonald's breakfast while I'm out. So let's get ready. Not every day is the same for me. It kind of just depends on when I'm at uni, which today is from 4 till 7, so it's not till like way later on into the evening. But I'm going to show you what I do like in the morning sometimes. Okay, so I've just finished shopping. What I came down for, they actually didn't have any in stock, so very unsuccessful shopping trip. I'm back home now and I was just about to do some of my reading for a seminar that I have on Wednesday. This semester I'm doing Intelligence and Security, Prisons and Punishment, and Issues in Criminal Investigation, Forensic Science, which was an optional module, and that's the one I picked. So I picked the Forensic Science module because one of my options when I went to uni was actually to do a full Forensic Science degree. That was like what I wanted. When I first went to college, we had to write down like what we wanted to do afterwards, and I had like 2 options, and those were a degree in Forensic Science and becoming a paramedic. And so those were my like what I wanted to do. Like I couldn't choose between. Now I'm pretty confident I want to be a dog handler in the police. Oh, can you hear my dog? She wants to come in. Hello, coming in. But I mean, it could change. But that has been like what my focus has been on for a while. This is what the Moodle app on my phone looks like. If we scroll down, there it is, Intelligence and Security. And so each week it's got what we're doing, and then there should be, so here was like week 1, what is intelligence. The reading I had to do before the seminar is there in a PDF format, and then those are the PowerPoint slides for the lecture as well. So everything's on here, and I really like that because it means if I miss anything in my notes I can go back and check what was going on. So I've just printed out my reading like this, but I'm just going to give it a little read through and then maybe write some notes on it. Okay, so I'll just give you a quick look at what I'm taking. I won't take it all out, but I've got a drink, my notebook, that's the reading I printed out earlier, and then down there is my purse, which also has my train card because I get cheaper tickets with a train card, and then I just have a pen as well. Okay, so the last thing to do before I go is I'm just going to buy my tickets, and I do that on my phone using the app Trainline. Okay, we are back in the car. This time I'm going down to the train station. Let's go.